Hello guys, today I will show you how to make thin wires for your nano projects. Take old transformer and you will need inner coil because inner coil has thin wires. Then take two wires from that coil. And then scratch the ends of the wires with any sharp thing so that you can solder it properly. Now we will bind these wires together properly. For this you will need motor. Then place your one side of wire with motor. And other side with any load. Perfect, that's the thing we want.